अंजुणा वाठारांत ध्वनी प्रदूषण जाता म्हण कांय म्हयने फाटीं थळाव्यांनी रातचे उसरा रातीक चलपी म्युझिके आड मोर्चा काडिल्लो. शांततायेन मोर्चा काडिल्लो. त्यान भायर पुलीस स्थानकांतूय कागाळ केल्ली. पुलिसांकूय हातूंत लक्ष घालचें म्हण सांगिल्लें. थळावी आमदार लेगीत आपल्या लोकां बरोबर ध्वनी प्रदुशणा आड उबी राविल्ली. पुलिसांनी अशी व्हड म्युझिक उसरा रातीक चलपाक दिवचें ना म्हण उतरूय दिल्लें. मात आतां परत हो उसरा रातीक चलपी म्युझिकेचो प्रस्न तकली वयर काडपाक लागला. भायल्या लोकांचो गांवांनी संचार वाडला. बिझनस करतल्यांक भिरांत ना अशी दिसून येता. सरकारी यंत्रणेक भियेनासतना ते आपली मनमानी चलयतात. उसरा रातीक म्युझिक वाजयता अशें ह्या 16 नोव्हेंबराक रेकॉर्ड जाल्ल्या व्हिडिओंत पळोवपाक मेळटा. पळयात हो व्हिडिओ.
The time is 11:49. This is Romeo Lane. The music has restarted once again after the villagers have left. Just an hour ago we were here with the other villagers from Anjuna and it was pin drop silence. Which part of this is the culture of Goa? And how many of these people are Goans? And how many Goans can afford to visit such places? With entry charges itself amounting to 10,000, 15,000. And none of this sounds like Konkani music or folk music promoting local tradition. This has to stop, otherwise this destruction of the beaches and the coastal areas is only going to worsen in Goa, and it's only going to enter the villages. As retired Justice Patel has rightly put it, Goa is a state worth fighting for. It's time villagers and Goans understand the depth of the statement made by Justice Patel and start acting to save their own village